Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host, Jay, and today I just want to start off by saying, man, I cannot believe, I'm sure some of you guys might be feeling just like me, I cannot believe how bullish Bitcoin is at this moment in time right now. And yesterday I posted a video. I was looking at some charts and I was showing you guys where I felt like Bitcoin had to bounce at in order for it to still stay bullish, and at like 12 o'clock last night it actually bounced right at that level and we got another $1,000 move out of Bitcoin. So I'm just feeling like, man, Bitcoin is just super bullish at this time, and I want to show you that. It was on this chart right here from yesterday. I was saying we had this parabolic curve that Bitcoin was following, and there's a lot of bullish indicators that I have fundamentally and on these charts. But first, I'll talk about this chart right here. So I posted this chart. I made a video about this chart yesterday, and I was like, hopefully we can follow this curve, right? Right now it retraced a little bit, but it went up to about 17,800, and then it started to have a little retracement. Right now it's at 17,500, which it hasn't been trading at that level. But I put this red line up and I said Bitcoin had to basically stay above this red line, and around exactly at 12 a.m. it hit this line, and bounced. If I go to the 1 hour chart, let me zoom in and see what actually happened. So yeah, came down a little bit, hit this line, and just doop, bounced another $1,000. So I'm like, what, man, let's keep this going. And it had to cool off a little bit, and it broke below this this line that I put on the RSI. I just noticed that right now. It's actually breaking below it right now as of recording this video. But hopefully it could hold up at this next line, which it looks like it's kind of holding up there. Really, it's kind of right there. I should have drawn it right there. But RSI had to cool off a little bit, so it's good to see that happening on the 1 hour. But yeah, Bitcoin is just so bullish right now. And how I know it's bullish, you have the news that Citibank actually came out and said that Bitcoin was going to hit 300,000 by next year. I think ignited some bulls inside of some people, because I had a ton of people. I'm talking like, I've been posting on my Instagram, posting on Twitter and all this stuff about Bitcoin and Facebook, so people know that I'm into cryptocurrency. They've been knowing for 3 years. That post, when I posted, damn, Fidelity said it's gonna hit 300k, I got at least 20 people hitting me up saying, hey, okay, I'm ready, I got some money ready to invest. So now the FOMO is really kicking in because of that news. Like, I can attest to that for myself, because I have friends outside of cryptocurrency in general just saying, hey, I want to get in now, like, show me how to do this and this and that. What you sent me this link to Coinbase 2 years ago, how do I do this? So the bulls are ignited. My girlfriend's mom said that her friend is telling her how to get into cryptocurrency and stuff like that. So with that happening, make sure you tell your people, like, hey, don't be paying people money. Don't go and tell, like, somebody's gonna tell you, we can make you $10,000 in a week, give us 10%. Don't do that. Make sure you just alert everybody about the scams and stuff like that, because this bull run is gonna start kicking off, in my opinion, because the FOMO is starting to kick in on a fundamental level. And that's why, the charts, like I said, the resistance where it bounces at and stuff like that still holds up, but a lot of other things start to not make sense, like RSIs, like things being overbought and things like that. So just be ready, have your portfolios ready and stuff like that. And always, beware, have a stop loss. For me, that's the line right there. I might move it up and say, you know what, stop loss right there. If it drops below 17,000, I might, see what happens. But still, this line is holding up. So as long as this line is holding up, parabolic curve, got to stay in the parabolic curve. If it breaks below that, over here somewhere, then we'll see. Next up, XRP. So another bullish indicator for me. I had a friend hit me up from high school. Yo, what's up? Blah, blah, blah. You into crypto? Yeah. And he was just like, buy XRP, Jarvis. XRP, XRP, XRP. So XRP is kicking back in. And you guys know the chart is kind of bullish. So on this chart, I see what is called in a complex head and shoulders. So if you don't know what that is, complex head and shoulders is a chart pattern. It's basically a reversal pattern. Normally it's going down, it'll look something like this. This one is an inverse complex head and shoulders. So for me, I got the left shoulder right here, the head, and then the right shoulder. And if this thing plays out, then it should go to the next level of huge resistance. But I'm seeing a lot of resistance in this box right here, in this area. So that's why I have this orange line. And if it gets past this orange line, then the next resistance level for me would be right at 34 cents. If it passes that, no, so let me draw that right here, right at 34 cents. If it passes that, then you're looking at, boom, 37 cents. And after that, you know, it could come all the way up here, because you see all this resistance and trading going on over here at like 42 cents. And then the top of this pattern would be right here at 50 cents. That would be like what is considered the breakout target of this whole thing, would be this line here. So if that happens, you see a 51 cent XRP, that's pretty dope in my opinion, you know, because like I said, I have a little bit of XRP. The team, the what's happening with XRP, like you know, we won't get into all that right now, but on this chart it's looking a little bit bullish right now. So I'm also checking the RSI, making sure it doesn't get overbought, because every time it gets overbought, it feels like they just dump or something like that, you know. So if you zoom in right here, you can see there's kind of another one, 4 hour pattern on the 4 hour, that's looking like a little reversal pattern on the 4 hour as well. So XRP is looking pretty bullish, but like I said, every time XRP gets bullish, something happens that makes it not so bullish. Like I don't know, it just doesn't make that much sense to me. Like, look at this 4 hour chart for XRP, then look at the 4 hour chart for Bitcoin. I mean, look at the RSI. Look how choppy this looks. Like, that looks weird, but you know, it's nonetheless, it's bullish right now. So let me know what you guys think. Is it time? Is it the bull run yet? We haven't crossed $19,980 yet, which was the top, but those were some wicks. We're trading in some levels that we haven't been trading in like ever. So it's looking pretty bullish for, you know, the time being. In the macro thing, the macros perspective, I think we're bullish as hell. So this is not financial advice. Make sure you do your own research. Make sure you keep your stop losses in place. Be careful out there. Check out the website, everythingcurrencycrypto.com, up there for y'all. Check that thing out. Join the Telegram group. I'm gonna have to charge a fee. Has some scammers in there, a bunch of them, so I gotta keep those people out. It's pretty stupid, but yeah, like, subscribe, turn on post notifications. Till next time, peace.